What's up and welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will be teaching you how to disable like and unlike things on your videos. So one thing I want to say, you guys, thank you very much for your lots of support. You have been showing support for almost all my videos. Thank you very much. So let's have a look at the most viewed video in my channel. So yeah, the most viewed video on my channel is this one. You can see right here, it's having 1.3k views, guys. So yesterday I had checked it, it had 1.2k and now another 100 views. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Thanks a lot. I never knew that I would be growing this much. So the second most viewed video on my channel is how to code chatting app, having 223 views. Okay, and the third most viewed video is, I think, this one itself, code.org, how to code a simple calculator, having 132 views. After that comes YouTube Studio Save Problem Fixed Successfully, which is having 72 views. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for your support. Thanks a lot. Okay, so yeah, I didn't want it to waste the time. So here you can see, I'll just choose a random video. So I'll choose this one. So it just takes some time to load. Yeah, you can see here you'll have to click on this pen icon. So you just have to click on that pen icon, as you can see over here. Yeah, now you'll have to click on advanced settings here. Okay, so here you can enable your category and stuff, but the main thing is the comments and view rating for this video. Like, if you want to enable comments, you'll have to click on that switch like that. So it's pretty simple, guys. You'll have to download this YT Studio app. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video.